think we're good to go. I think. Wait, no, I'm blind still. Ew. Okay. No longer blind. So we're good. Sorry, I should have maybe done all of this earlier, but I'm, yeah, as you can see, I'm slightly behind. But it's fine. We've got this. Anyways, how's everyone's Thursday going? I'm feeling frustrated this morning, but it is what it is. Nothing you can do about that. Hey Vivek, what's up? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Hey Rip, how are you? Christmas tree can go here now. I see FOMC did not disappoint at all, which is crazy. Well, I say it's crazy. I guess it was expected. What level is this? Might be another pop level. I'm very confused. Anyways, moving on. Moving on swiftly. I forgot to do two things already. Two things. One is this. Two is this. Okay. We're good. Rip, did you have any awesome trades during the FOMC or not really? So I haven't really been able to, like I said, I checked Discord, but not proper. There we go. Awesome sauce. Okay, I think we're ready. Nope, not yet. Didn't trade. Why not, Rip? It looked like fun. I'm joking. It looked like chaos. Don't do it. Hey, Deepam. I'm trading with Project X using top 1 futures. For now, I do know Project X is gonna no longer be used, but yeah. Only True Trader, what up? And Mula, hey, how are you? Okay, let me mark all the relevant things, right? Let's start with, I see, well, New York high is right there along with equal highs and other previous New York highs, so that's a very, very interesting area. Here's little Endog. New daily opening gap. Ooh, okay. And now we've just been going down, down, down. Interesting. 1 level, 2 level. Good. Done. So then this is also Asia high. So I'm just talking myself through this. Anyways, Asia high. Okay. And then, well, obviously now this is going to be Asia low. This must be an old Geordie level. Can't remember where this Geordie level was from, but it's an oldie. I'm gonna get rid of that old Geordie level. Sorry, Geordie. I know you're not here, but still. Okay, done, done, done. Awesome. Now, next up is 3 a.m. opening. Right here on this level. Cool. Okay. I did not mark out yesterday's New York low. That's already been taken, never mind. Never mind then. Ignore me. Only true trader and Mula what? The chosen of Jonathan, what's up? You're from Nigeria, welcome. I'm from South Africa, what's up? Mula, what's the bias for today? Well, I want to say trend is friend, and it's definitely trending down, but I haven't even checked higher time frames yet, so I don't want to lie to you. I did, I messed up the bob level. Why did I do that? It's that one. This one is not relevant. Okay, cool, done. There we go. Well, FOMC was fun. Only true trader, I'm assuming you didn't trade, right? Hey, Mr. K, what's up? TP1 hit yesterday. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. So Mr. K, what's the next plan? What's the next trade you're gonna be looking for? Deep, well, this is on an eval account. Deep. Eric, I have some beautiful hair. Thank you. David, hi. What the heck, man? Okay. Shout out to David. My main man, what on earth? Thank you. It's jump. Yeah. And it's my Wonder Woman one. Yeah. The weather today is so weird. It was raining, then there was a gap. Luckily, in that gap, I quickly went for a run and took Perry for a walk to the beach. I lie, I dragged Perry along for the run with me, so he's exhausted now, which is hilarious. Anyways, and now it's back to being windy and overcast and a little bit miserable, so I was like, nope. Nice, cool jersey, here we go. Asia move, no joke. No, Asia was ridiculous. Rip, ridiculous. I was eating good during it. Oh, Solly? How many whoop whoops are we in? Mr. K, sells. Yep. Well, I haven't even checked the higher time frame, Mr. K, but I'm going to agree with you on that one. Rip, I was sleeping like a rock. Can I trade you some yard work if you cook me eggs? I mean, I'm really bad at cooking, but sure, sounds like a plan. Social videos? Hey, I did a lot of trade I didn't take during New York AM before FOMC. Traded back to my entry, took the long. Then hit TP so quick. Only true trader? Whoop whoop, that is amazing! I thought you weren't gonna trade yesterday though. Ugh, David, thank you. Again, shout out to David, thank you for the donor. Mad love. Missed what you did before you got into this. Rail? Oh, are you asking me what I used to do? Is that what you're asking? Hector, do I trade every day? I do. Well, I am live every day. Do I get a trade every day? Me. But I'm live every day. Hasn't even gone back up to that point yet. It's taken out some external. Well, it's about to take out some external. Don't say the whole move was during Asia and now it's just going to chill. That will annoy me. That will suck. Kool-Aid, best stock to invest in right now? No idea, sorry. Anyone? Best stock to invest in right now? It was FOMC, felt like full porting, which Apex wasn't SA. I would have full ported like 20 accounts. Only true trade and you're bad. I mean, hilarious, but bad. you could call it a personal trainer, if you will. Grady, if you say so, moving to Japan with those type of moves in Asia, honestly, Rip. Hi from Sydney. Hey! We have another Australian. What's up, Rail? Best stock is Silver Mines or Newmont Gold. Interesting. Mr. K says indices. Definitely. There we go. So, Kool-Aid, I hope that kind of answered something. Oh, lacquer. Nice. Nice. Hey, Jose, how you doing? Gold still got a long ride up. Oh, interesting. Honeybee? Hi, that's adorable. That's such a cute name. How you doing? Oh, wait. Hasn't taken, we've been going slowly higher though. Let's check the higher time frame. Sorry. I might have to close my window just now. Whoopsie. Yep, give me a second. Damn it. Thank you. Thanks, Lolly. My bad. Hi from South Africa. The Grey Beano. Hi. Hello, another fellow South African. What's up? Okay, I'm going to trade after 19. My day job comes to an end for X months, by then I'll see if I can make a small fortune. Real, I thought the markets were, for lack of a better word, yucky. Sorry, I know that's not a great way to be describing it, but are they not yucky over Christmas? Is the price actually not garbage? Okay, 15-minute. Oh my gosh, we have so much. Hello. Hey, goodbye. We now have a lot of gaps to fill. Awesome. Tap back up, or we're gonna go back down. We are too. Sorry, I'm now just looking at the this fair value gap on the 1 hour is quite nice. I wonder if it's going to come back up, tap into it, and then continue to the sell side. Interesting. Okay. And we have it on the 4 hour. Sorry, I know I'm adding another block. Do we think it might pop into that 4 hour fair value gap and 1 hour before reversing back down? Or I say reversing, continuing back down. Hey, the Crypto King. Hey, Melvin. Long time no see. How you doing? Daily wake next to Doji, untouched liquidity. Ooh, okay. Long swing 25120. Let's go. You think it's gonna go all the way down to 25120? 120? Mr. K, are you serious? That's insane. That's insane. Okay. Morning from middle of nowhere, USA. I love it. I love it. Green glove exploration. Nice. Teaching people the market with no prior experience. Breezy block. Please read it again. It's teach Maya trading, not Maya teaching trading. Very, very different. Just saying. Oh, there we go. Never mind. Solly beat me to saying that. No problem. Rough. Okay. Hey, Sir Bill. Hi. I don't know why I felt like I needed to salute that. Hi. How you doing? Trade with Akash. What's up? How are you? Definitely yes, Mr. K. I love your. How do I put this? I don't want to say commitment. Your certainty. Maybe that's it. I love the certainty. Whoop-dee. Whoop-dee. Should I drop out of high school and start day trading? No, maybe don't do that. I'd prefer to trade into the value gap than see from there. Right now, I'm bullish though. Oh, interesting. Okay. Are you bullish because you think it needs to fill up all those gaps? It's kind of what my brain's telling me. It's kind of going, it has all of those imbalances that surely it wants to, you know, balance. Mngu, what's up? Honestly, right? Anyways, Akash, hi. Hi, again. Going sideways for a bit. No! Is it base creator? Downside or upside? Low-key waiting for confirmation. I think it wants to correct some of the imbalances before continuing to the sell side. But, I mean, I could be wrong. So, Bill, are you also Australian? Yes, I don't know. The relative equal lows that are formed. Why don't you like them? Rip? Yeah, thanks, Solly. Your chart is about to consolidate down. Bass Creator, you're shorting now. Zoom out in 50 minutes. You see it's going sideways. Oh, don't worry, Mngu, I did see. I did see in the 15-minute that it was indeed going that way, which is just sideways. Swept a lot of lows and didn't displace through them. If they got displaced through, it would be different. And Asia's quacking huge. You mean, what is this? Is Russia allowed to trade, or are they sanctioned from trading? Jason, I don't know. I want them out of the way. Oh, you want them to potentially be taken before going to the upside? Is that what you are hoping for? Rip, just making sure I'm on the same page. I kept you guys down at 25120. Mr. K, bring it on. I think that's cool. Wait, let me actually make a note. Mr. K, it says 25120. That's insane, but okay, so it's all the way down here. Okay. That's gonna be fun. If this is just gonna go sideways today, I'm gonna be a bit of a grumpy goose. Not even a silly goose. A grumpy goose. All the Can I have $3 million? Can I have $3 million, please? Like, damn. I wish. Guys, I'm not rich at all. Solly, here comes the sweep. Let's create a prop trader. Rip, yes, okay, got it. David, what's up? They're saying that the air bubble is bigger than the 2008 housing bubble that went. Are you looking out for that scenario? Jason, to be fair, I just go day by day and I trade what I see. I try and stay out of all the this and that and this and that. Maybe it's not the right way of going around things, but if you are, but now you don't realize it yet. What, that I'm rich? I don't think I'm rich. Nope, I know I'm not rich. I guarantee you I'm not rich. Hey Dean, what's up? Dean Wakefield. Hey, I'm good on you. And I'm sitting on my hands for now, honestly, Solly. Well, I mean, you've already had amazing trades, right? Thanks, David. And I mean, I just got an awesome donation from someone, so... Dean, hi. My immediate self just gave her asking for through. Yeah. Davis, what? Am I what? You're rich in your heart. Oh, Jose, that's so sweet. Some days it feels a bit like a black hole, but we'll go with rich in the heart. Is it Ibby Kits? What's up? What chart am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. The micros, to be specific. Real, what's been my best ever trade? That's a bit of a toughie. I've had some really good ones. Maybe the best ever trade I had was where I added on. So... Ugh. It was so long ago, but I can explain it kind of using this. No, what am I looking for? Not that. Where's the little drawing thing, my Bobby? It's here, isn't it? Brush. Okay. So where I think it was a sell. It doesn't really matter. It was coming down, and you know, I go off of this. So let's say I drew a range top to bottom. It came back in, tagged in, started going down, but started to go back up again, and I drew a second GAN. Then got tagged in again before it went down, so that was pretty cool. I think that was probably one of my best trades, just for me personally, and for now being the keyword. I thought that was a cool trade. Sorry, I drew that like rubbish, but you get the idea. Your London trade I told you was chef's kiss. That was, yeah, true, Rip, true. The London one, and it was the New York one on Friday, was also amazing. New York yesterday, it is what it is. Come on, galleries, thank you. Oh, no, not that. Interested, seeing you doing some awesome stuff. Oh, thank you. Anon, how are you doing? How's it going? $1,200 in one day still counts as one trade. Does it? When did I have that? I can't even remember when I had that. Okay, but Solly, why didn't you message me saying that Asia was going crazy? Next time, just be better and wake me up and tell me that Asia's being amazing. Let's rather just trade Asia session. Screw it. Who needs sleep? To be fair, would I even been able to get in on anything? Oh my gosh. I don't even think I would have been able to get in. Maybe here? Or... Never mind. I take it back. That literally just ran away during the Asia session. All in red? Oh, okay. No. Okay, guys, don't forget to please like the streams so that Devin doesn't get upset. What's my bias for today? Dr. Gus. Hey, Dr. Gus. So bias for today, I think at least during London, it's going to come potentially fill some of the imbalances that was created during the Asia, I don't even know what to call this, the Asia drop-off. But overall bias is bearish, right? Trend is friend. Jason, is this about trading stock? Well, no, trading the Nasdaq futures. Sarcasm? No? Am I being sarcastic? No, I don't think so. I hope not. Woke up from a nap just after you went live. Huh. I wish. Naps sound amazing. Like I said, number one, I don't have time to nap. Number two, I don't nap during the day. It just doesn't work out for me. Oh my gosh. I mean, this price action kind of sucks right now. We're in the coupled markets right now, too risky. Right, Mula? Mula, what are you? Maya being silly geese, why, Jose? You'll get there when you're older. David, I already feel so old. I feel older. Just watching this price action is making me feel older. I would say just kidding, but I'm not. Oh my gosh. It needs to now make up its mind. I need to get more bob levels. Run out of bob level. Ngook Better's doing what on December 12th? I mean, I'm older than you. Oh, wow, thanks, David. Thank you. Well, I mean, yeah. Oh, thanks for subscribing. And is it Andrea? Andrea, I don't want to mess that up. QE December 12th. So that's tomorrow. That's. Oh, guys, I forgot. I can actually. Which is why I want this price action to wake up. I could actually be a little bit more bold and daring with the trades and the contracts today, because on the 13th, you know, eval, well, resets if I blow it. Hopefully I don't blow it, but point is, I can be a little bit more bold and daring these next 2 days. I'm old enough to be your sugar daddy. No. So is it in a consolidation? It is. It is definitely in a consolidation phase right now, which is obviously not fun, but I guess it is what it is. Nothing we can do about it consolidating. It might pop out of it soon. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. All these hiccups are driving me crazy. potentially going to take out these relative equal lows and then go back up. It's literally going sideways. I have to sit on my hands a little bit. I can't pull port. Only true trader, you are bad news. Do you know that? Has anyone ever told you that you are bad news? Just asking for a friend. Find your best setup and use like 2 minis. Joking, I'm a gambler. You know what? Wait. Don't tempt me with a good time. Everyone will be here to watch that, damn. Getting something. I marked the 3 a.m. open and it's not 4 yet, so I'm confused. What did I miss, Rip? What did I miss? What did I forget? Hey, Laura, are you back on gold? What did I forget, Rip? Now I'm confused. What would you say is a major indicator in either direction in a consolidation phase? How would you be able to tell which way price will move? Well, I don't really use indicators, to be fair, so that's why I kind of sit on my hands. I don't like consolidation, that's why I don't deal with it, because it could go either way. Anyone else maybe have an answer for that one? What would you say is a major indicator in either direction in a consolidation phase? How would you be able to tell which way price action will move? I'm the best news. You sometimes need a gambler in the chart. You just spice it up. There we go. Midnight. Ah, damn it. Thanks. Oh, there we go. Yeah, sorry, Rip. It's literally on the... I did mark it. You can see it there. It's just literally on the lines. Apologies. Yeah, I did. It kind of blended in. Sorry. You made me stressed. I was like, I'm going through my checklist. I promise. Lower morning and but it's consolidating. Oh, just today. Ah, Laura, how's the trading been going? What's up? It's okay. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome, by the way. Don't tell me with David, honestly. Hey, Franks, what's up? How are you? Rail, cup and handle. I've never been the best at... Is it like that? At identifying cup and handles? Is this like an upside down cup? Is this... You know, is it this idea that, like, that's the cup? And now this is the handle? And this is like the coffee cup, but it's just upside down. And now the water, the coffee is just getting spilled out. Is that what the cup and handle is? Because I've been told about it. I've just never, you know, I never really understood it and what the implications were with it. Do I scalp trade? I do. But I do wait for my correct setup. Good, looking for 500 a week. Now it's up to 440 and now down to... I know! We will see. Hoping today I can reach my goal. Laura, that's amazing though! Whoop whoop! So it's been getting better. You are trading the Nasdaq futures. Anyways. Rail, nope. Oh, I butchered that completely. Mine is reversed, so trend down. That now you lost me again. Is what I drew not correct at all? Did I butcher that completely? I think consolidation is good. Support and resistance. Yeah. Human discipline. Hello. Hello. Are you here to discipline us, or are you here to keep the discipline? I have questions about your name. Anyways. Big U followed by little u equals big price rise. Ah, so because it's, I guess, an N now, you know, upside down U. So because it's big N followed by little n, it's going to keep trending down. Is that essentially what that is? Ow. Human discipline? Did you say you're trading gold? Oh, the coffee's kicking in. Good. She's definitely a... Yeah, Nasdaq is better than gold. Oh, amazing, Laura. Okay. I know some people that would definitely argue with you on that one. I'm fine with it going back down. I just think it needs to come back into this imbalance potentially. It's taken out that. I might have to go a tiny bit lower. Okay, just don't... I'm getting tempted to do silly things. Don't diddle in the middle. Don't be dumb. Don't do dumb things. Nunya, you think reversal's coming in? What's the advantage of trading equities futures rather than commodities? I go... Okay, that's more of a question for the group. In all honesty, I started with futures. It's what my friend introduced me to, and I always just said I wanted to get good at one asset, and it helps that I have the micros to preserve capital. I think that's the major thing, in all honesty. Oh my gosh, I see this is sort of a thing now, David, honestly. I was gonna be cheeky now, and I was like, no, we don't do that on live stream. Anyways, GMG News, what's up? I mean, it's... After the crazy Asia session, it's now chilling. So, no. GMG, how's your trading been going? Yeah, you got it. Rail, I see what you did there. That's brilliant. I love it. Project? No, sorry, this is not the Bitcoin chart. Human Discipline, what up? Mr. Panda, you love these live videos. So hi, Mr. Panda, how are you doing? Good luck with your work. How are you wishing? Oh, hello, thank you. Thank you, you're so sweet. I hope you have amazing trades as well. Do I trade London session? Yes, this is London session right now. Hey Jacob, what's up? Fine, Nasdaq as opposed to gold or silver. Oh. Again, this is just what my friend introduced me to. And again, it has the micros. Gold, I don't know about silver, but I know gold only has the minis, not the micros. So again, just preserving capital wise. And it's very interesting. I've heard mixed reviews with regards to gold. So Laura, I don't know if Laura's still here, but Laura used to trade gold. She actually prefers trading Nasdaq. However, someone else called DJ prefers trading gold and the metals. So I guess it's all about preference at the end of the day. Whichever one works better for you, you know. Not every single stock market, well, I guess it depends on who you are, but I was gonna say not every single stock market works out for every single person. Heading down. I don't want to be pushing. With overs. Okay, Josh, I hope it picks up. So recently I pulled a very... Must be over the moon. I've been trying to get this card for a long time. Ooh, GMG, that is amazing. So now what? What do you do with that? Silver is very volatile at the moment. Oh, interesting. Another David. What up, David? Our price is done playing around. You want to see go above that range and then start showing intention. Okay, well, I mean, it still hasn't taken out this low. I would have preferred to have seen it take out this low before it stopped messing around, if you will. I guess, like you said, it needs to get out of this range and start moving with some proper intention. And then part of my brain wants to say this could be a goodie. However, because it has been consolidating, this could jump up higher than I wanted to. Could jump up into this imbalance before it retraces back down. So I'm gonna sit on my hands still a little bit longer. Kalalani, what's up? Did I make any money today? No, not yet. It's literally basically been consolidating since I've hopped on, well, apart from this down, but there's been no trade opportunities for me in my setup. Let's put it that way. Solly, how's that all the time? So now I have to send it off to trading. If it comes back A grade, then I would have made nearly... I'm sorry, what? GMG? GMG, do you want to see some of the Pokemon cards I have and see if they're of any worth? So that I can maybe make some extra cash off of my Pokemon card. I don't think they are worth anything, just saying, but you know, curiosity never hurt. So if she says no, I'll volunteer. Solly, please volunteer. I want videos as well. I mean, you guys live close enough to each other that that'll be a thing, and that is hilarious. Note on the 1 minute. I'm assuming the 1 minute. Okay. Why is this one important? Rip. Just make sure I attribute this properly. Oh. That's why it's important. Interesting. Is it like the first presented fair value gap of the day? Is that a thing? Yeah, take a look. Oh, thanks, GMG. GMG, I'm sorry, I can't remember. Are you on Discord? If you are, send me a message. Yee! Okay. Jose, what do I think about EMA? I've heard some good things about it. Who here uses EMA to trade? What do they think? Like I said, I've heard some good things about it. It sounds really interesting, and I mean, I know some people wanted me to try it. Maybe I should it just feels like I'm gonna add more chaos to the already chaotic charts. Which is not ideal. I'm gonna get yelled at. Want those relative equal lows swept, got so close. Okay, only to trade it. Nice, so we're waiting for the same thing. It really did. It's right there. Like, come on. Maybe this will be it before it starts going to the buy side. Gold and silver good to invest? Mike-ish? I'm really not sure. I know some people would say yes. Hey, Mike G! What up? I never realized Pokemon was more valuable than gold and silver. I mean, Mr. Panda, it can be. Some of the prices are crazy. Do I trade on red folder day? I do. Well, no, yeah, I do. I traded yesterday. Maybe it was a mistake. My, you'd make more on OnlyFans. We did. David, that sounds terrible. That's the first percentage value gap of the 130 opening range. Okay, is it normally respected really well? Me? Out of curiosity, Rip. Migs, am I in New York? Yes, I am. Oh, are you asking, like, right now, if I'm in New York or if I'm gonna trade in the New York session? I'm in South Africa. When I've just got off Twitter. Well, I don't have that. I don't got Twitter. Do you have Instagram or TikTok, GMG? Hey, Denvies Johnson, what's up? Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the Weird Kid Club. I'm not gonna say we're normal here because that would be a lie. Means I use Webull Trading View to chart only. You confused me. What is Webull? Oh, thanks for the new sub. Focus! Hey, sorry, I actually meant to send you a message on Discord. I found the problem, I sorted it. Welcome back. How you doing, Focus? It looks like Rose from where? Do I want to know? I probably don't want to know. You incorporate for London opening range. See, Solly, now I'm confused with the opening ranges. But why not? It's fine if you have that. Oh my gosh. Hey Focus, welcome back. How are you? Yeah, no, David, I'm judging a little bit. I feel like I need to maybe put you in a 1 minute timeout. Grove Street. I'm also South African. Welcome. I'm KZN side though. Yeah, no, 100% Solly. I think David, you need like a timeout. Go sit down. It's Maya Lucky Duck. Well, no, right now it's just Maya sits and waits, apparently. Which is frustrating, but I guess it is what it is. We continue. We move. I'd be confused by the framework for now. Okay. But Rip, you do use these first presented things? Question mark? Ethiopian investor, you said to buy for gold? I haven't actually looked at gold for a while. How is gold looking? Laura? I don't know if Laura's still here. Anyways. KM, are you asking? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, but I'm on top 1 futures prop firm using Project X for now before it's no longer allowed. Jose, watch out for the next break. What, do you think it's gonna go up or down or sideways still? My money is on sideways still, but you know, who am I? Do you have an office or studio? That's a little, I guess you could call it a little office at home. Oh, real? Yeah, just OBS. That's why English sounds from overseas. Really? Well, no, to be fair, Grove Street, I actually... Pretoria is where I came from. I actually only moved down to KZN recently. But I have heard, believe it or not, I don't know if this is true. I don't know if there's more South Africans on here that can confirm or deny. I have been told by South Africans that I have a British accent and that I have, I don't even know, just, oh sorry, an American accent as well. I've been told that I have a cool accent from South Africans. I'm like, I'm from here. I don't understand, but okay. Anyways, that was a random fun fact. Welcome. I don't think I have one, but I have been told that. And then I've also been told that I do not have an accent, so sorry, random fun fact there. Moving on. You said learn how to trade from... Who was your mentor, Migs? KM, I'm on an eval account. A gorgeous feeling. Thanks, David. Wish everyone the same. Yes, yeah. Joe feels, I mean, yeah, real. I go for runs by myself with my phone and everything, like super safe. Oops, I use them from time to time. I have a framework that is always my priority, and those are just confluences. Yeah. Can I speak Zulu? I can't speak Zulu, unfortunately. I'm really bad with languages. I feel like I need to stress that a little bit more. I'm shocking with languages, or else I would have learned Portuguese and, but my language skills are diabolical. Yeah, clean South African Natal accent. Oh, interesting. Again, I understand Afrikaans. Do not speak Afrikaans. Well, I can speak Afrikaans, it's just not great. Cool, Jamie lives. Moving on. How many trades do you typically enter in a session? Oh, Mr. Panda. I think it typically depends on the day. If the day is just terrible, none. Right? I'm really working on the discipline part of trading, which is if your setup, or let's rather rephrase this, if your A+ setup is not there, don't take it. I mean, I was looking at this, however, this was risky for multiple reasons. Number one, I still thought it was going to come down and take out this low before it went all the way up. And now with this first presented, it could have bounced back off one last time to take out my stop loss. But looking at it now, it's, oh yeah, it would have been a win. But it would have been very risky and then not worth the risk. And like I said, I'm working on discipline to only take the A+ setups. So here we are. Hey Thunder, welcome. What strategy? So Ethiopian investor, I have my, it's my own little GAN box. It's fading. What's fading? I can't spare me. Interesting. Oh, interesting. Sorry. I have my own little GAN box that you can see I keep drawing and redrawing. But I need to have at least 3 or more confluences for it to be an A+ setup. Unfortunately, it does not really work on these days where it's a little bit all over the place. Wait. For a buy, this might not be terrible. However, it did just take out this imbalance. But back up to opening price, fill the imbalance back up to VWAM. To visualize a rip. Who paid attention to the video? 10 to 15 minutes of the current hour and 10 to 15 minutes of the new hour. Oh, interesting. I mean, that makes sense. Hey, my life, what's up? Only True Trader, is it the same entry I was looking at? Just saying. Silver Bullet Trader, what's up? Manifesting Life. Hi, welcome back. How you doing? Buying out of 30-minute fit value gap and have greater 30-minute reverse going into London session. Good job. Potentially trade into 50% retracement range. So Tyson, I was actually thinking that. I really thought it wanted to go into the imbalance. This has my, okay, you know what, screw it. This has my confluences. Maybe it's a bad idea. Like I said, I can be a little bit more risque. It has my confluences. I'm not even going to place a stop yet. Maybe I should. The only thing, like I said, that I don't like is that it did not come take out this. But I'm being a little bit more go-getter for these next two days at least. You can go eating time off the clock until morning. Oh, what? Focus, you're staying on the sidelines. Why? Michael, facts. Usually I go through the weekly calendar and choose a day not to trade. Why is that? Out of... Oh! No. Why would you do me dirty like that? That felt so unnecessary. That was... That was just rude. What the hell, man? Aw, thanks. Enjoy your day. Have an amazing day. See you maybe in New York session. Not sure if you're gonna be trading then. You don't want a vacation. These markets are at low volatility. Yeah, yes and no. There's no rest for the wicked. Clearly, I'm evil. Hey Maurice, what's up? Sorry, I've missed quite a bit. So the horizontal level at 25378. 378. What's at that level? Is it just after it's taken out the Asia low? So whoa, Tyson, you think it's gonna go all the way back down there and then go back up? You little bastard. Why did you not just go down a little bit more and tag me in? That would have been a perfect flipping trade, man. Literally perfect. That was so rude. Don't you dare say it was this range. I think it would have still missed me by... Yep. That would have missed me by a tick. Starting well, guys and gals. Starting with a bang. What time is it? Not even 4 yet. Oh, in a minute it's gonna be 4. You little... Rude. Just rude. Do I like 90s music? I don't know who this LeBach is. Hey Lukey, bull. Well, bull for retracement, and then, well, bearish overall, but bull for retracement. No joke when you said, why would you do me dirty like that? But I controlled myself. Well done, David. I'm proud of you. Retracement zone. Should have put it at the previous high, not the low. Okay, however, this is still potentially valid. Because I still have my confluences. It did not hit the 50%. Normally it wants to come down to the 50%. So it is still potentially valid. If it's gonna come back down that far, maybe not, and maybe it's just gonna run away into that 4-hour imbalance, fair value gap, whatever you can call it, imbalance, fair value gap. Hoping now it's hit this resistance. Maybe it's gonna come back down one last time. Tag me in, please, and then go. Kid fishing, you think a big pullback is... Maurice, what broker do I use? Top 1 futures. If you had a penny every time, right? get away and use the female singer. I don't. Because what? What? That's so cool. What kind of setup is your A plus setup? Is it the same structure every time? Basically, Mr. Pan. Well, what do you mean by same structure? Okay, taken out, which means we might have a decent pullback into this. Maybe it screws me, maybe it doesn't. I have definitely enough confluences. Thanks, David. Is this like an apology for your weird comments? Thank you. NQ1 Malone? MNQ? Yes, I'm trading the MNQ. Sorry, Tyson, let me have a look at what you said. Whoopsies. Let me see what you said here. Okay, so got the horizontal level. Putting it at the previous high, not low, maybe. Growth Street? I'm confused about where you wanted me to put this. Again, actually, shout out to David. Thank you for all the donos. I really appreciate it. The rest of y'all being stingy. No. Jokes, don't cancel me for saying that. I apologize. Retracement zone is 684. Do you think it's going to go all the way up to around 684 level? Potential trade back to level I mentioned. Ah, okie dokie. So anything from up here till what level? 700. Nice. Okay. And then back down. Well, I've made a little note there. Let's check. Let's see what it does. Do you think this is all going to happen in London session or potentially only New York session though? That's always the next question. Is this just consolidating slightly after it used all of its energy during the Asia session? Rip took something off of that. Rip, did you get into it? I didn't even know you were in a trade. Whoop whoop though. Well done, Rip. Anyone recommend a good broker? Maurice, what are you looking for in particular? I know funding ticks, you only need 250k instead of 3k to pass your eval. That's quite nice if you're looking for that type of thing. But I guess it depends. Again, what are you looking for in particular, Maurice? Sticking to a bias as a new trader will help you improve faster, but if you try to focus on both sides of the marketplace every day, you'll slowly become a gambler instead of a trader. Well, I mean, Mula, I started off this day saying I expected to retrace. So I expected it to be bullish for London. Which is why I even made, you can see this is the 4 hour, it's the little fair value gap on the 4 hour. There is a bigger fair value gap on the 1 hour. But this one on the 4 hour, I at least expected it to come and tap into it. There we go. It has just gone into this resistance level though, so let's see. Pop back down far enough. Get me in, please. Please and thanks. I prefer the bigger entry. It's just gonna run away without me. You rude. Sis. Okay. Literally, just ran away without me. If I had gotten in here and I'd left a runner, I would be very happy right now. Okay, well, into that fair value gap. Raj, hey. I mean, you don't always have to pass math. London pre-New York forward retracement and New York session for continuation on distribution. Ooh. Nice. Perhaps it is. Oh, well, the MNQ. I'm using the 1 hour. Got it. Rarig. Hoekom sal jy hierdie doen vandag? Sorry, as you can hear, when I'm frustrated, Afrikaans comes out. When if price to close above the 1 hour bearish fair value gap. Right, now coming is the FOMO buy. I mean, I wish I just did that. Sure. Okay, I'm thinking a break higher if it consolidates a little bit more. I ran away like my dad going to get milk. Maybe you two need to meet up and hug it out. Cause oh my goodness, that was so sad. I can't even like give you guys a hug and be like, there, feel better. I feel like saying there would not make you feel better either, but anyways. Okay. Wait. Bit more risky, but no, sugar honey iced tea, stop that. Like I said, bit more risky, but let's go. I've got 1, 2, 3. Well, the stop loss is a little bit close, but there is. They must be at the same shop. Damn, you guys. Then Groves. Yes. Good luck today, Maya. I hope those levels help you through the. Thanks, Tyson. Yes, I know. Patience pairs. I think I'm just, maybe I woke up on the wrong side of the bed today. Either way, having a ducat day is never no worst thing that can happen. Alright, can just say, ducat, let's go. Let's do this. $657 if it's really $657. Okay, we have a rip level, people. Everyone calm down. I haven't marked out the 4. Oh no! I'm not even watching what's going on. But we have a rip level. Okay, well, it's set. Now we forget. If it tags in, there's nothing stopping me from actually entering in at the 0.5, which is a little bit even more cheeky, but it is what it is. Rip yours too. Wow, guys. Now I'd look back over to see the highs. If this goes again without tagging me in, I'm gonna be grumpy. Okay, let's see. I guess it tapped into this little order block. Yeah, barely. No. Bruh. Bruh. Don't do this to me. Momentum is overall bearish on NAS 100. You bought in Asia session? Michael, you're saying it's overall bearish, but you bought or did you sell? Sorry, I'm a little bit confused now. Sorry, Michael. Hey, Green Shy Roblox, what's up? Not my trade hitting TP. No, only true trader. What the heck, man? Did it hit TP like perfectly? Now price must be very excited to go up. Do not stop my... you have 8% to go back into the range. Oh, not into there. But it has the confluences. You think this one is the better entry at 5 to 8? Should touch back and then run. Are you going along? Yes, kid fishing. I've set it up for a long. Rip thinks it might go a little bit further down. It's just the odds are against that. That makes sense. But perfectly to my exact draw. Only two trader? I mean, you saw what just happened. Missed me by... Okay, at least that one was like 2 ticks, but it's so frustrating having the correct idea and then, anyways. Time frame are you in? In the 1 minute, sorry, is it now? Oh no, it's not CFD. Sorry, Grove Street. That's probably why it's the futures. I would prefer that database, but don't let me change your mind. Oh wait, do you know what I did not do? Where's the 4? Where's the 4? 4 closing. I mean, Rip, I agree with you with regards to I think it wants to go further. What about this range? Entry's a little bit low. Maybe. I'm gonna stick with it for now. Maybe it's a mistake. Maybe it's not. You know, if it is a mistake, then it's lesson learned to stick with the percentages, right? Or database. I'll accept a hug. Hey, Reggie, what's up? Now I realize I should have kept my mouth shut. Why? You're good. The odds can be against it. Yes, I've seen that time and time again, but at the same time, given the local trend, I don't see it hitting there. Well, I am this close to marketing in when it gets close to my freaking entry point. Just saying, duck it. Oh no, oh no, oh no, that wick is not okay. Oh man, okay, well, let's see what happens. Yeah, sucks, but it happens. We'll stay out of London. Wait how New York is, yeah. Promise you, here it takes long. You have a very speedy stop loss. Hey Kyle, how you doing? How's NQ looking today? It was consolidating, then it had a nice push to the buy side to try and fill some of the imbalances from the Asia session. Whoa. Now we've taken out some buy side liquidity and hopped into the 4-hour fair value gap. I'm going to close this 4-hour fair value gap. I'm going to mark out. Am I going to mark out? Let me quickly check the 1 hour. Rip, only true trader, close your eyes because I know you're going to get upset with this. Oh, I see. So Tyson thinks it's going to go up into this 1 hour fair value gap, into this range before it reverses back down. Ooh. But we could have a little bit of a bounce here. Maybe it's headed for the bob level. It could be headed for the bob level. Okay. This is most likely gonna take me out because it has grabbed all of that buy-side liquidity. Ow. Ow. Oh, you stupid thing. Now I don't have my 3 confluences anymore. Yeah. I was about to not so much cancel this, but make the contracts less. But like I said, I can be a little bit crazier these next 2 days. So just leave it alone. Let's see, I don't love that it's slowly consolidating up, but we're going. A loss is a win. Grove Street? I mean, a loss is a lesson, right? With the correct mindset, yeah, there we go. With the wrong one, it's a loss, as you already know. Thanks, 7. 7 figured. Hi, by the way. Are you new? I feel like you're new. Are you new, 7 figured? Thank you. Looking today and all week. The people love to buy every month. It's a very good time. Not after how hard you. Kyle took my target already with that FOMC push. Nice! Kyle, whoop whoop, that's amazing! Hitting levels and targets of 100 for accuracy as per my system. Time may vary. Seven figure? The is freaking me out. What's the for? Okay, I'm not a fan of RSA. Never really had an in-depth look into it, if I'm being honest. That's an easy pickup, huh? I feel bad that I'm the man in the back of the room. I say. 7 figure! Yeah, sorry, I didn't even see your message when I said that, but that's clearly we're just on the same wavelength, and I'm super happy with that. That's fine. Also node 673. Okay. Another rip level incoming. 673. 00. Yep. So this is indeed a very good zone to be opting for. But just tag me in. You little son of a gun. Okay. Problem is, I also know my luck. I'd probably just say, screw it, mark it in, and then it would start going, oh wait, we gotta do a bit of a retracement here. People stop being greedy with the like button. Why? To have people like? Hey, Real Fantasy, you in buys. I've been trying to get into the buys, but I'm not in it. It missed me by a tick earlier. Stupid thing. And it just keeps running away from me. It's headed to the bob level. Can you please just tag me in? Like, please. Like, pretty, please. Pretty please. Now that I've said that. Watch. This is literally 10 contracts. Wow. Okay. This is very high probability of getting my stop. Rizzy, ready to do I journal? I'm not even gonna lie. I have been bad at my journaling. I have been really bad at my journaling, which is definitely a problem. What I'm looking into doing is I just want to call it like an accountability group. Does that make sense? We like check up and be like, have you done this? Have you done this? I don't know if that even makes sense, if it's even something anyone would be interested in. But anyways, Daniel, best way to get started is to find a strategy that works for you. Number one. I'm new, but I ran across your stream about 3 nights in a row. I've enjoyed it quite a bit. Aw, 7-figure, thank you. I FOMO'd in, but I'm happy now. Damn, real fantasy. I am low-key jealous. It literally missed me by a tick. Sorry, I'm getting really grumpy, but it is what it is. I feel after 3 attempts of a trade, I swear it is worth it at this point. Nice video yesterday, so it's nice to see someone being... Aw, kids fishing, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I wanted to just be real open and honest, because I have realized that some people love to lie about how well and successful they're doing. I don't know if they're lying, maybe they're being honest, but yeah, you know, it's not always like that. It's not always sunshine and rainbows. You can look at footprint charts, volume profile, and you can combine with existing confidence to make sure you'll significantly improve the risk to reward ratio. What do you use, Horn? Pending level, play from strong support to set 5. 100% targets for any stocks. Oh, thanks, Sunny. Thank you. I feel like I'm butchering that pronunciation. Mike M, don't fiddle in the middle. But at least this is not middle. It is kind of the middle, but it's not really. It's a little bit of the middle. We're just gonna ignore that. Mother fluffer. And now this is 100% me chasing, which is not okay. But the YOLOs are strong today. The YOLOs are strong with me. Shoot. Moving on. Trend line, you already feel what to do. Seven-figure. I know not to chase, but I'm chasing, which is the problem. I am very aware that it is a problem. I am very aware. You see, the mindset's actually not quite right today. Bye for now. Good luck to all. I will try to join. Oh, thank you, Sunny. Use your Discord and your journal. Post your trade and write your reasoning for your trade, emotions and what you could have avoided, and whatnot, even if you make the channel private. Ah, 22 trader? It's a good idea. Thank you. Actually, that's a really good idea. Chong? How long have I been trading? Since April. Yeah. Trading since April. Use volume from footprint charts. I've heard a bunch about the footprint charts, to be fair. And about the tape reading. Libra, what's up? moving on. I'm just gonna watch what happens now. Okay, Geordie said we just pull it up. Just gonna watch. If it hits my level, I'll then just close. Don't let them know where your stop loss is. No, I'm joking. I never do that. So don't start now. I don't know why that got into my head, but moving on. What am I doing? Limit buy? No, not a limit buy. That's wrong. Stop sell. 10. Seven figure, do you want a little bit more? Oh, sorry, I will do it now. What's I'm watching, but me. Then this one, do limit sell at 4. Leave 1 to go to Bob's level. Well, if it goes that high. I now need to just double check with regards to this. Have it at a 1-to-1. That's not 1-to-1. Here we go. When/if it reaches there, I mitigate my risk by half. Can you restart and run it back like live? What do you mean by that? Can I do replay? On? Honey, cheers! Enjoy! Did I tap that level? Not quite. Oh, okay, leave a runner for the first level I gave if it doesn't stop me out. Cool. Wealth trading, simple price. Small advice, always understand where net gamma is by option and interest. I have never heard of that. Have I heard of that? I don't think I've heard of that. Is that the first time anyone's mentioned that? Net gamma. I don't think I've recalled anyone mentioning net gamma. Oh, okay. Well, touched 1-to-1. So now this... Stop it. I mitigate risk by half. Ooh, it's supposed to be there. That's where I'm supposed to feed the duck. Anyways, sorry. Now that I zoomed in, I'm like, I did that wrong. That's where you feed the duck. I vote leave 10 runners. I don't know what they do, but that sounds fancy. Now it's gonna fly to yesterday's high. You think so, real fantasy? I don't know if it's gonna go that high. Well, actually it's now break even. It's gone to 70%. So it's a safe trade, officially. So that's cool. You may not be able to do it on the platform, but a top new indicators you may be able to do a replay and go back just like live. It's a good tool. Oh, like, are you talking about when you paper trade and stuff like that? I know TradingView has that option. Net gamma will give you... Is it a indicator? Wealth trading? It sounds like an indicator. Hey, Bless! Blessed Saint, what's up? I think this was pullback after taking range high yesterday. This candle right here determines a lot. Please, from now on, move the stop after your first target is hit. Okay. I mean, I could move it back, but now it looks like it's gonna go back down. Let's see what happens. Hey, Racker Tom. Well, nothing now. Nothing for now. Let's see. Hot monitor line going around. Moses, explain how you take the trade. Well, sweet and simply, I have... Oh, this does look like it wants to go down. Nope, I'm not even gonna look. Range, I think this was a pullback after taking... Oh, sorry, I've already read that Real Fantasy. I draw bottom of the range, top of the range. I make sure I have at least 3 confluences. This one technically was a bit more of a B setup, not so much an A+ setup. It had 2 confluences. Oh well. Bracket on P&L last week. I was in the green. It was more of a break-even week last week. It was 100. What was it? I posted it on Discord. It was 100. And I'm not even gonna look because no matter what happens now, I have no control over it. So let me check out. So last week, I was up. What's that? No, I lied. $218. Huh? I thought it was less than that. The last week I was up $218. Yeah, so not bad. Like I said, not great. It was break even, but could be worse. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Woods Joe. Hi. What are you confused about? Oh, well, there we go. David says it's trading. Racker Tom, yeah. Oh no. It was up to $300, and now it's gonna take me out. Still lagging gamma wasn't a gamma comes from see open interest and look at options change, understand implied volatility. That's interesting. What's trading though? That doesn't answer. Are you asking like the definition of trading? Real Fantasy, no, I'm on an eval still. Only 2 trader? Yeah, I think it's gonna take me out though. But it's break even, so I guess it is what it is. You don't know what trading is? I'm saying that like I'm being a judgy cow. I'm so sorry. To be fair, I didn't quite understand what trading was beginning of this year either. Well, we're up $7. Yay! Anyways. It does kind of look like it wants to go back. $7 can buy you a Happy Meal. Kill streak? Honestly. Oh well. At least it was break even. It was a no loss trade. It still sucked, don't get me wrong, but it is what it is. You have a nice voice. Do I sing? Hey, Moses, no. The majority of time you move it and you don't need to yet. You need to let that risk play until you take your first target, at least. That's the cost. I mean, rip, is it bad that I can say I can very easily just mark it back in? Except now we kind of look like we are back to consolidation. 7 figure, you asked to zoom out. Here we go. Tapped into this little fair value gap on the 1 minute. We are basically in the middle of the fair value gap on the 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so we might be retracing off of that. Is it bad that I want to re-enter? David, I don't know what you're talking about. Moses, go to the 1 hour sure thing. Yeah, okay, we're basically in the middle. Yeah, not quite, but yeah. Here's the 1 hour. Sorry, I know there's a lot going on. Those are my rip levels. Dead. No, you son of a gun, man. Maybe I should have re-entered, but that seems like a really bad idea. Do it, re-enter. Stop it, David. You don't like losses, but this is the wrong way of looking at it. Okay, no, you're right, Rip. So then, do I try and treat this like that? Do I re-enter and just have it as is and leave it alone? The candlestick is the exhaust, not the engine. Can't trade by candlesticks while trading. What do you now you have officially confused me. No. Trading crypto and the slippage is huge. Just want to know how much commission open and close trade, break even, does a core slippage for. Oh, not as much. On. Yeah, the futures are quite decent. Okay. It's one of those days where I feel you can't enter the sell zone. I feel like I need to scream into a pillow today. That's where we are at. I think I need to go and scream into a pillow. We're fine. Need another pullback after it reclaims time. See the best example of what I'm saying. Yep, rip. Literally. To the tick. Okay. If you reverse break even, if you reversal. Pulp Fiction, at least there's no load shedding. I mean, when you're right, you're. Yeah. Nas might close bearish today. Ooh. Real fantasy? I'm not sure about that. You take a risk, level not met yet. You move it risk permanently, you get stopped, level gets hit. Why do you take the risk then? Make no sense. Have I told you before that I don't like it when you yell at me? I'm pretty sure I've told you that before. I'm just saying. Just saying. Yet you're still yelling at me. No, I'm joking. Sorry, I'm talking myself out of doing something dumb. I'm talking myself out of doing something dumb. Talking myself out of it, out of it. Okay, Rip, that's... Okay. I would have agreed earlier that after the zoom out it helps to see the perspective. Yelling his wife. No, man. Pulp Fiction, thank you. I appreciate it. How wealth trading? This is FOMC week. Come back next week. Might find this PA a bit calm and predictable. Accuracy is how important. I follow actually 100. You don't want to see price trade back. If you don't move, stop to reduce the amount you lose before you enter a trade. Accept the risk. Your trigger now moved to the sidelines, yeah. Yep. Yep. This is just gonna be revenge trading. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. If this hits TP, this might be it. This might be it. Dragon, you lost $90 today. That's not bad. Thanks, David. Okay, at least I talked myself out of this one. Watch it now work. But anyways. Not exactly Pulp Fiction. Ah, David, you funny. Thank you. Beautiful trades though. They were really good. The idea was good, right? It missed me by how many points each freaking time? Okay, deep breaths. Painfuls this morning. Wait, I wanted to check something. Okay. Bait and switch, that's the name of the game. Yep. Anyways, when you feel so sure that it's going to get stopped on, why not close the trade in a little profit and use that profit as risk for the next A+ setup? Are you talking about the recent trade? I wasn't sure it was going to get taken out. I mean, I did think maybe it was going to take me out break even, so maybe when I started returning and it was around $300 profit, I could have maybe closed, but I didn't. David, are you on a mission today? What do you think about this, like this one here? Tyson, I don't like this one. Tyson, did you see what just happened? I don't know if you did. I don't know if you saw what just happened. Most people have gone through it. Moving, stop. Prematurely learning to accept the risk is hard. Well, it was hard for me to overcome. Just a little bit, hey? It is, and you would think it's like the most simple thing, like, yeah, I'm gonna pip. But I guess, you know, you got, what? What's it got a risk it for the biscuit? Ninya, saw your reversal, so are you in a short, Ninya? I just put a foil up. Solly, I can't tell if you're being serious. Do you actually do that, Solly? I do the same, and that is keeping me also break even. I don't take profit and wait for home runs. Not to take profits early. So Horn, to be fair, I have been taking profits a little bit earlier. A little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit. So normally I would only have my profits at the 1.1. Now I have it at the 1 and the 1.1. Probably true. Wow. Oh, Tyson, what happened? Let's recreate this, shall we? Where was it? It was here. Yep. There. This was my... Yeah. This was my setup. It came back, tagged me in, went all the way up. I had some... Not profit. Well, yeah. I had some profit at the 1 level. You can see it missed by a tick, came back down. I had moved my stop to break even. So it took me out break even before going up, hit TP. So that was fun. Hey, no one tell Geordie. No one tell Geordie. Let's see if this works. Okay. Let's do this. Do what? I don't know, but we're watching. I'm not doing anything till it takes the sell side. It left down there, New York AM. Yeah, rip it is. Yeah, Tyson, so that's fun. Yeah. Still frustrating. I guess I'm up $7. Yay. That was the most frustrating morning I think I've ever had. And I even said, let's do this properly, let's set it and leave it alone. Well, I didn't leave it alone, maybe that's the problem. Okay, well, it is what it is. It's fine, things happen, right? Oh well. But, Mike, I'm not a fan of simple moving averages. I just feel like it gets a bit much. Mike M, do you use simple moving averages? Oh my gosh, did this work out? Give me a moment. What the... So that worked out. That worked out pretty properly. Well, I say pretty properly. It did get close to stop loss, I guess. But tapped perfectly into TP. Okay, I guess the volume is drying up to the sell up buy side a little bit now. Volume's definitely drying up to the buy side now. I like your anime character in your profile. Thank you! I made it with, whatchamacallit? ChatGPT. Sorry, add to a winner and take from a loser. What do you mean by take from a loser? I don't understand what that means. That feeling never gets old. Like I said, I think I also woke up on the wrong side of the bed today, and that's fine. So. It is what it is. And it is... I'm gonna say it once, you guys better savor this. It is shit, but it's fine. Okay. This is... Sorry, do you guys like my riding tights, by the way? Okie dokie. Why is this little trendy trend line? No, liquidity line. We don't call it a trend line because that triggers Geordie. This feels like it's pushing it a little bit. Just an itty bitty little bit. It's just one of those days. You don't want to wake up. Yeah. Solly? I cannot describe how accurate that is. I was lying in bed, doom scrolling, and I was like, you have to go for a run. You have to get up out of bed and you have to go do something. I eventually, I don't know how, I rolled out of bed, forced myself to have a shower, and then Poor Perry, like I said, I dragged him along for me. It was low-key a risk to not have such a hectic run because he can't, that sounds rude, he can't keep up with me, but he's not that fit with running. But it was a 2-in-1. He could then come for a run, we could stop at the beach, walk on the beach, and then go home. But anyways. Because obviously I was running a little bit late because I had to force myself to do things today. Point is, at least I did them, right? I gotta be positive. At least I did it. I didn't let the lack of motivation win. I'm trying so hard. I'm trying so hard today. Imagine waking up in the wrong bed. RIP! Ooh, the glasses came off. Go ahead. Huh? Hi, life. I'm not. I'm just having a frustrating day. Start with a small position, maybe 1k shares, and I'm climbing. I'll buy more while trailing in more and more shares till I pull 100%. Yeah, am I profitable? Not yet. Do I trade Nasdaq only? Real fantasy for now. I've had a look at gold. Oh, there's Bob level. One day I've really got to try this Bob level properly. It could potentially not work, or it could be amazing. There we go. Climbing, but more. Kid fishing, saw that. My buy TP's hit, done for the day. Hey, real fantasy, whoop whoop, well done. Nasdaq way better than gold. Gold loves to give stress. Real fantasy, I've heard that. Bob's an underrated. Honestly, Solly. Perfectly. Bob level to Bob level. Now it could probably retrace back down. But boom boom. But we still got rip levels above. So it could continue to the buy side. But if it retraces a little bit now, I won't be surprised. Okay, what time is it? We got 5 minutes to go. I can't get into another trade. So, it is what it is. We just leave it alone now. Sit on our hands. Just leave it alone and we carry on. Oh, where are you going? Why? Okay. Let's now watch. Now everyone's gone quiet. It's weird. Did you guys not like my rant? If we use time and sales probably from the broker terminal itself, you can see the speed of orders coming in and decide if you have to close the position early or not. Trades by 1 second. Interesting, Horn. I mean, yeah, David, when you're right, you're right. When you're right, you're right. More than I made yesterday. How many up and goes is that? What's an up and go? Do I want to know? Can't imagine not using level 2 data trading. There's a lot of hate and love around all of that kids fishing, to be fair. 7-figured, what's up? Did you catch the mini meltdown? Seven figured, have you gotten any trades in? Fire? What's fire? What's fire? At the protein drink. Oh! That sounds dangerous. I'm just saying. That sounds dangerous. At least it was a protein drink, not a... like a monster. I don't even know where I would set that up. It's not a bad idea. I just don't even know. I feel like I need 3 screens, but they would not fit on my desk at all. At all. You've drank 30 monsters. 30. At first I read 3 and I was like, that's nothing. And then 30? That doesn't sound right. It sounds like you should have died, David. I can't tell if you're joking or not. 30 monsters is too many. Okay. 2 minutes to go and it's now going nowhere. So I'm probably gonna call it a minute. A minute early today. Let me go touch some grass. Sort out my mind a little bit. Actually, I tend to gravitate towards crypto. Oh, interesting. Okay. I'm joking. Can be for like 3 days. Damn. I mean, it makes sense. But again, like I said, guys, in order to have that, I feel like I need 3 screens, and that's not going to happen. Ah, Geordie, I'm about to hop off. What up, Geordie? To go to gym today? No? How are you feeling? Let's ask that. How are you feeling, Geordie? Monster Panda. Stocks from the start. Oh, interesting. 7-figured, how long have you been doing this? Hey USA, what's up? Also, Horn, how long have you been trading for? Over 20 years, damn. I'm assuming profitable. If you've been doing it for that long, I'm assuming. 65% better so far. Okay, that's not bad, Geordie. That's not bad. I'm good. Maybe iced coffee. I don't. Okay, cool. I'm assuming up and goes an iced coffee. Hey, Jamil, I don't know. Born that way. Anyways, sorry, the sassiness is out. So, yeah, I would call it there before B-Meyer comes out. We don't need that. We don't need that in our lives today. Intro jungle alerts. There we go. Had fun today. It pissed me a bit, but not the end of the world. Last target is my level. Posted the trading Discord. Stop and profit. Oh, Rip, thank you. Listen, today in general pissed me off. I know High Life said I'm acting like I had like 4 losing trades. It felt like I had 4 losing trades. The fact that it was this close to tagging me in 3 times, tagged me in the 4th time, only to take me out break even before hitting my TP. I swear it almost feels worse than having 4 losses. I think I would have taken 4 losses over this BS today, but it's fine. We still have New York. We still have New York. There's always more opportunities. There's always more days. There's always more trades. So like I said, let me go. Let me sort my head out. Let me go to the horses. Take lots of deep breaths. Sort my mind out before New York session. Yes, let's go do that. Was 4 missed. Was it 4 missed? No, the 4th one was tagged, was it not? I feel like the 4th one was tagged. Took a while, many lessons, but yes, once I got the hang of it, at proper risk, that's when I switched to... Oh, interesting. Okay. Been trying for 1 year to become... And Horn, are you profitable? Thanks, Jordy. If you made $7, don't be great. I'm sorry, damn. Hey, look, Richie man. Richie man, I'm about to hop off, sorry. Cheers, USA. And hi and bye to everyone else. Oh, thanks, Seven Figure. Hopefully I'll see you in New York session. I'm not sure if you trade New York. You counted 5 swings, no dings. 5. Did I have an entry for all of them, though? I think that's the difference. Okay, but that's heartbreaking. Moving on. 5, whatever. Okay, like I said, let me go sort my head out. I'll be back for the New York session. Hopefully in a better frame of mind. It's okay. I love you guys. Again, thank you for the support. Shout out David for the donations. They definitely helped. Like I said, yes, you're right, Rip. I must not be greedy. I'm still in the green. I'm acting like a baby. I'll get over it. I will get over it. Like I said, let me go touch some grass. Get over myself. I'll see you guys then later for the New York session. Again, thank you for the support. Mad love for all of you. I will be back. Yes? Yes. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.